destination is 3 miles away.
Hello, it's How To Not To, bringing you another unboxing video, and today I will be unboxing the original PlayStation 2 console that was released in 2000 and is the best-selling game console of all time. Sony did manufacture a slimline model in 2004, which was half the size of this. So here we have the PlayStation 2 controller with dual shock, which vibrates based on the on-screen actions. It also features 2 rubber analog sticks, which allowed you to move the characters in the game, and if you press it down on the top, it also triggers more functions as well. Okay, here we have the console, which is the Phat version. There is some damage at the front there, where you would normally have the plastic cover and also the PlayStation 2 logo, which could rotate all the way around. For some reason it got damaged over the years. I've just cleaned it up a bit, it was a bit dusty, and on the top of the console you have the bluey greeny logo across there. And here we have the official PlayStation 2 8 MB of memory card here. The traditional way was to save games on a memory card. You had to keep clearing the memory card to save a new game, which was frustrating as first of all you had to inject the disc before turning it on, and then you had to search through the menu and highlight the memory card and then find the game you wanted to delete. Sometimes you would delete the game by accident as well and start all over again. There were problems detecting the memory card. You would have to remove it from the card slot 1 to card slot 2, then back to card slot 1. I did check on Amazon. You can now get 128 megabytes of storage. I'm just going to turn it over, and there we have the bottom of the console with rubber grips and access to the inside. Flip it back over. And along there is the fan. It does need cleaning, it's a bit dusty. And next to the dusty fan we have the digital audio out and AV multi out. You have the mains power switch as well, so you can switch it on and off. And here we have 2 1.1 USB ports. We have a FireWire port. You can also play DVDs on here as well, which was very popular with not only gamers but non-gamers as well, because it was cheaper than buying a DVD player. There's an air vent situated along the front of the console. It has 2 control ports. You could play most PlayStation 1 games on the PlayStation 2. You could stand it horizontally and vertically to save space. However, there were reports of disc read errors and scratched discs if you played it vertically, so I would recommend you playing it horizontally. It's backwards capable with PlayStation 1 games, so if you didn't have a PlayStation 1, you could still play the games on the PlayStation 2 console. There you have the reset button, which also switches the console on and off. And underneath that is the button to inject the disc. And it still has the warranty seal along there. If you remove that, then it will warrant it void. There is the expansion bay where you can put in a network adapter to play online, and I believe you can also put a hard drive in there as well to save your games onto it. Okay, the best thing about the PlayStation 2 was not only that did you have the dual shock controller, you also had great games on it. There was a lot of great releases on the PlayStation 2 console, like Final Fantasy VIII and Tony Hawk's Pro Skater, Call of Duty, Medal of Honor, and not forgetting Tomb Raider. You had the Angel of Darkness, Anniversary, Legend and Underworld. And another game that came out on PlayStation 2 was Manhunt, which is the only game I couldn't finish because it was too graphic, which had a lot of violence in it. I didn't really understand it really. I think it was a hide and seek, as I remember. It was a kill every 5 seconds. It was quite disturbing. And it was banned in many countries because of that. It was a kill or be killed kind of game. Still have nightmares. So this is my collection of games. The best games I had, I no longer own anymore. Got rid of them. Yeah, I did have Silent Hill, which was one of my favourite games, and Resident Evil. as well. What else did I have? Splinter Cell. Okay, do you still remember? Also, one of my favourite games was Hitman. I do miss that game. Okay, I'm now going to switch it on and Splinter Cell. What I'm going to play is Medal of Honor, and I'm also going to play Test Drive as well. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and enjoy.
Your destination is 3 miles away. At the next intersection, turn right. Turn right. Your destination is 3 miles away. Your destination is 3 miles away.
Damn it! We gotta get the wire cleared! Patterson, you're up! Get over here!
Private Jones has enough Bangalores to clear a hole in the wire, but he's pinned behind a...
Damn it! We gotta get the wire cleared!